let's try some examples of some different rhythms. I've written 6 different rhythms using whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. So let's talk about number 1. I can see there's a little glare right here. Try to ignore the glare. That is not a note. That is just a reflection of the light. So first we have a half note, which lasts for 2 beats. So you can see I wrote beat 1 and beat 2. It lasts that full length until beat 3. Then I have a quarter note, which is 1 beat, and another quarter note, which is another beat. So if my beats are 1, 2, 3, 4, the sound of these notes would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long, short, short. Let's look at our next example. I have a quarter note, which is 1 beat long. I have another quarter note, which is 1 beat long. And then I have a pair of eighth notes, which together make a beat, because it's half a beat plus another half of a beat. So beat 3 is going to be 3 and then beat 4 I have another pair of eighth notes, which is going to be 4 and. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Alright, our next one starts out with a pair of eighth notes. So we have 1 and. Then we have a half note. The half note, remember, lasts for 2 beats, so it's going to take up beat 2 and beat 3. And then at the very end, at beat 4, we have 4 and, 2 more eighth notes. So this one will sound like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and. Excellent. The next one is a common rhythm. This is known as the pepperoni pizza or the Mississippi River rhythm. We have 2 eighth notes, 1 and, 2 more eighth notes, 2 and, then 2 quarter notes, 3, 4. So it will sound like 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. If I played it on the piano, it would sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Pepperoni pizza, Mississippi River. Alright, what's going on with this next line? We have just a circle or an oval. Hopefully you remember that that is a whole note. A whole note lasts for 4 beats all by itself. So there's nothing else in this measure. That whole note takes up all 4 beats. So our whole note measure will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, one more to go. On the bottom line, I have a quarter note, which is 1 beat. Then I have 2 eighth notes, 2 and then I have a half note. The half note lasts for 2 beats by itself, so that's going to be beat 3 and beat 4. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. If I play it on the keyboard, we get this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's see if we can make it from the top of the board down to the bottom. So we'll start at the top. Here we go. You can sing along by just saying la, 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 something like that with me. So here we go. Our beat is 1, 2, 3, go. How'd you do? Did you make it? Let's try it again, but we're going to speed it up just a hair. Try a different chord too. There we go. Here goes. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. All right, so there we have it. Rhythm practice. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.